Hey there, Titans. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Formtitan Chat. The Formtitan Chat is an amazing new tool for you to help your customers fill in your forms. So let's say here we have a form that creates an account with context as well, and your user landed on this page and it needs help to fill it up. So in order to enable this, we're going to head over to optimization in your form settings and click on the chat checkbox, and we'll save our form, publish it, and right now we see nothing. The reason that we don't see anything here is because there is no operators listening to our chats. So what you'll need to do is, after you enable the chat, is have someone take chat calls. So we're going to head over to our Formtitan account and go to the form builder, go to the My Forms and click My Forms. And on the My Forms, we see a Start Chat button here. We're going to click this and refresh our form just to make sure that everything is online. And we'll click to open chat. Now check this out. So right now we see how many users we have on the same form. Right now we have one guy here. And we're going to say chat name, and we'll put in some phone number, and we'll select an account. And right now our user needs help, so let's say we'll say, hey there, need some help. So we can see on the admin section we're getting the user's messages right away, and then we can say we can write something back. And after that, let's say he explains what he needs help with. The other thing you can do is amazing, that you click on the view form progress, and in the view form progress you can see whatever he already filled up. So you can see that the account name is chat name, and the account phone is this, and the account type is this. And if you'll go on to fill something else here, and let's say this guy, and you'll click view form progress, you will see the information that he put in. So for example, if you had a problem with his email, you can say your email is invalid. You can write to him back. And what happens if we have more than one user? So I'm just going to open an incognito mode, and we can see that we have a user 2 here, and we can see that we can view the form progress as well. Even if he didn't request for a chat, we can already take a look and see what's going on before he even contacted us. So if he contacts us, then it will start a session with him as well. We can also send a message to everyone, and then this guy will get the message as well. So this is a very, very strong, powerful tool to help you with your form fillers. And this is how it's done.